For new videos, please subscribe now and don't forget to hit the bell icon.
Hello and welcome to MS Word Tutorials. In this video, I will show you how to insert a header or a footer on every page of a document. Adding header and footer is the same process. So let's begin. Select Insert, then go to Header, click on it. You can choose any from built-in formats, click on it. Then double click to change the title of the header. Then select Close Header and Footer. In this way, you can also add the footer also. Go to Insert, click on Footer, then click on it. Then select Close Header and Footer. As you can see, both header and footer in the page. So thank you for watching this video.